How to add money on Revolut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add money to your Revolut account, here are some steps to do so. In order to top up your Revolut account, first and foremost, make sure you have updated it to the latest version. Once that is done, launch the app and give in your credentials or passcode to log in. Once you are in the page, you have to locate the add money option beneath your current balance. This way, you can add money and input the amount you want to add. If needed, you can even change the currency before proceeding. There are three methods by which you can fund your account. Step 1, debit cards. This way, you have to link your debit card for instant transfer. Second is Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay if it is set up on your device. Third option is bank transfer. For this, you have to link your bank account to transfer fund. But before making the choice, make sure you check out this article by Revolut.com, which tells you about the limits per charge and the tax for the charge. So this is how you can add securely to complete the process of adding on the Revolut app. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.